Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so over the last couple of weeks we talked about what is a bottom hole assembly, what are the key components of it, and what is important to a tool face offset. Then also we talked about the types of offsets or alignments. Now this week we're going to talk about the highly scientific tools that they use, not AccuScribe, to take this measurement. The tools that they're going to need are an earplug. Yes, you heard me right, an earplug, the thing that comes out of your ear. A calculator, line of sight, and handwritten notes. Now, in an external offset, they're going to put this earplug and they're going to dip it in some grease and stick it to the MWD high side. You'll see that in the green arrow here. Then they're going to hoist up and they're going to go to the mud motor high side indicated by the red arrow. Then they're going to evaluate with a tape measure and some line of sight where those are in respect to each other. The problem with that is you can get some really bad answers because when you use the tape measure in this process, you have to hold it upside down. Holding a tape measure upside down is not natural to someone just coming into this industry. So when they do this process, it can cause a lot of problems. It can cause validation issues. It can cause mathematical mistakes. It can cause clerical mistakes. And when they put this reading together, there's no validation. There's no way to audit this reading. So what am I trying to say? They use some pretty rudimentary technology to take a very critical offset. And you know as well as I do, if you drill the curve in the wrong direction, that could cost a lot of money. So let's get you a system that can validate this process time and time again and standardize it from one person to the other. They're all doing the same thing. Next week, we're going to talk about some of the errors and issues and what they cost when you get it wrong. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next week.